Hello economic students. This video presentation will demonstrate the use of aggregate demand and aggregate supply framework in a stated context. Let's look at case 1. With regard to the extract on how Singapore government bid to boost Singapore's economic prospects, the government gave the green light to set up the two integrated resorts, and this has resulted in inflow of investment. Firstly, we will set up the ADAS framework, drawing the axis for general price level as the y-axis and real national income for the x-axis. Next, we will draw and label the aggregate demand curve, followed by the aggregate supply curve. The interaction of AD and AS will give rise to equilibrium income at Y and equilibrium price at P. As mentioned previously, the decision to set up the two integrated resorts has resulted in inflow of investment. Ceteris paribus, this will cause the aggregate demand AD to shift to the right to AD1 in the short run, as investment is a component of AD. This will give rise to higher income from Y to Y1. In other words, actual growth has taken place. Assuming that the Singapore economy is operating near full employment, this will also result in increase in general price level from P to P1. Hence, the lack of productive capacity when AD is rising can cause demand pull inflation in the economy. However, the impact of a rise in investment doesn't stop here. In the long run, this investment will also increase the productive capacity of our economy, resulting in a rightward shift of aggregate supply from AS to AS1. In other words, potential growth has taken place. Note that the vertical section of the aggregate supply changes as it is a part of AS that reflects the full employment output of the economy. This allows further economic growth from Y1 to Y2 and also reduces the general price from P1 to P2. Hence, we can see that over time, the economy has achieved both potential and actual growth, which is non-inflationary in nature.